This video is going to walk you through a brief tour of your DMS Canvas course page. By now you should have logged into your course and got to your DMS course. I'm just going to use my template to go through this video. All your courses are going to look very similar to each other. Once you click on the start here, you should have watch the welcome to your developmental mass shell. It's going to tell you your course number, your section number, your instructor's name. Make sure that you check your announcements at least weekly so that you'll be able to understand what assignments are due during that particular week. Also, every time you log into Canvas, you need to make sure you check your inbox for emails from the instructor. Once you've done this, then you're going to come in here and you're watching the brief tour. So we just go ahead and skip on to the next section. Your Introductory Forum. It must be completed by the census day to keep from being dropped from the course for non-attendance. So you must complete this introductory form before you can access any other parts of the class. This is the same, very similar introductory form that you're going to be seeing in all your classes. So once you do that, make sure you complete it, and then go on to the next item, which is going to tell you that you can completed the form activity, and now you can access the rest of your course. So we're going to go ahead and click on our next button. These two important links. One of them is to the Pearson 24/7 technical support for MyLabs Plus. If you have any problems with the MyLabs Plus software, you need to contact them. You can also have this link in your MyLabs Plus class, so make sure that you are aware of it here, and it's also inside the class. The Khan Academy videos are videos that you can use to help you learn different math concepts. They're also available inside the MyLabs Plus homework assignments, so you can either access them here or you can access them within the homework assignments. So once you've done those two things, now you can start doing the steps. If you've got other classes, they may say modules. We have steps in the MyLabs Plus, so once you get finished the step 1 items, then you go to step 2, then step 3, and then step 4, which has the link to the MyLabs Plus. So you need to read your syllabus. You can either click over here on the syllabus button and open the syllabus, or you can just click here and it'll bring you up the same information. Make sure that you go down through here and read all the information in the syllabus, because the next step is going to be a little short quiz on here. If you have any questions, email your instructor through the Canvas inbox. But I think if you'll read everything that's in here in the syllabus, then you should be okay. At the very bottom, you'll notice the tentative course schedule. This is to help you keep on schedule. The first week, you need to complete every item that's above this particular link here. It's going to help you make sure that you understand. Now, the actual screens when you get into your actual course may look a little different, but it's still going to have all the information for you. And then down at the bottom, you're going to have your SEC policies, so make sure that you read all those, or at least go out and click on the links. This will carry you to the Stanley Community College webpage where you can learn all the SEC policies. Once we have watched the syllabus, read the syllabus, then we're going to go to the next item. And the easiest way to get back to your particular next step would be to click your back button on your browser, and then go over here and click on the side. Will be your next button, so that you can go to the next item, which is the step 1B, complete the syllabus quiz. Once you go down here and it says preview for me, but you're going to actually take it. There's 6 questions on it, so just go through it. The questions are coming from the syllabus. It doesn't matter if you get 100% on this. Just make sure you understand any questions you do miss. Once you have completed the syllabus quiz and got a score on it, then you go to the next item, which is step 2A. I want you to click and watch this video. It's going to tell you how the DMS courses work. The course is called a DMS shell. The actual modules are called DMAs. And so you possibly may have to take all 8 of these, or you may only have to take certain ones of these. So once you watch this video, make sure you pay close attention to it. Then your next step is going to be another quiz. Now this quiz is just on the video you just took. There's 4 questions. Make sure you understand each one of the questions and try to get them all right. If you miss one, just go back and make sure you understand why you missed it. It's not counting against you. These are not part of your grades. It's going to be recorded. We just want you to understand some information. So once you've done that, then you're going to see that you have to complete all your course assignments. Videos, learning activities, quizzes, and tests are completed through the MyLabs Plus software. You must complete the forum activity to even have gotten this far, steps 1 and 2, before you can access step 3. So once you do that, then you click on the next button, and there's going to be another brief tour. This is going to be of the DMS MyLabs Plus class. If you pay close attention to these developmental videos, then once you get logged into the MyLabs Plus course, you won't have as many problems getting logged in, getting to access to the homework assignments so that you can get started on possibly the first day of the class. So watch this video. It's only about a 12-minute video or less. You'll be able to understand how to get logged in, what your screen should look like, and what to expect once you get logged into your course. Then we're going to go to the next part, or the next. If you've never logged into MyLabs Plus for any other DMS course previously, you need to click on this little handout here and make sure that you read it. We have a section for students who've previously used MyLabs Plus, and the rest of it is for ones who are brand new to MyLabs Plus software. Just read down through this. It's going to show you some of the screens that you're going to see. These screens are actually on the video that's in the previous step. We have a little bit more information about how your access code in this step 1 and step 2 also, and step 3 tells you, once you get all the actual logged into your course, then what you need to do next. And if you have any questions about problems getting logged into MyLabs Plus course, email your instructor so that if we can help you with it, correcting the problem, we can get it done. If not, we'll relate you or tell you to go to the MyLabs Plus tech support and they'll get it corrected for you. Once you watch the single login instructions and understand them, then go to the next button, and it's going to just tell you some information, what you need to do. Once you go straight to the dashboard page in your MyLabs Plus DMS course without having to enter a username and password, all you have to do is click on the link that's in the next section. And this is the last step that's in MyLabs Plus. Once you click here, it just says use this single login link to go directly to the MyLabs Plus software website, and you win it. You click on the link, it'll automatically redirect you to your particular class. And then once you get logged into your MyLabs Plus class, then you'll be able to begin all your videos. Now this is going to be the other video that's going to be in a previous step. So once you get this video watched, then go through the rest of the steps till you get down to steps 3. It'll have another video in there, and that's the one that you're going to be looking at in a little bit. Thank you.